Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. Winning tip number 4, the demands, right? The demands. It's very important to know the demands of each market for each product, so we can adjust the production, right? I show you the detail now. So you will see the demand for the USA market, Asia market, and Europe, and then you see the demand to in growth for take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4 here for the routes. It's very important to know the growth of demand so we can adjust the production. In USA, take 1, take 2 growing, you see, very fast from route 2 to route 3. And for the Asia market, take 2 is going up, but in the Europe is quite different. Take the 4 is going up very fast. In the Asia, take 2 and take 3 is going very fast. So you need to know the demand and then you adjust the strategy. So winning tip number 4 is to check the demands, and then you can have the plan to produce or provide production enough production to meet the demand increase or adjust that in the later rounds. So if you have any question, you send the email to cesim2020@gmail.com or get the free support for our round 2. We have top 10 winning tips in the 10 separate videos, so we can check the other video for all the tips you can apply for all rounds. I take round 1 as example, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.